Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk round video of our 2020 VW Tiguan R-Line Tech. This car comes with the 2-litre turbo diesel engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 47 miles to the gallon. This is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 48,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. This particular colour is the Metallic Indium Grey and looks in great condition for the age mileage of the car. As we'll have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats there are really supportive and comfy as well. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, many features which I can list, starting from the Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. Below that you also have your controls for the climate control and also your heated front seats. The car also has cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. In the R-Line you've also got the glass opening roof as well, so that's really nice. The Tiguan's a great car for the family. So first of all, nice raised driving position, but also lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have control over their own air vents, temperature wise, there in the centre. And also you've got the fold away picnic tables as well. Opening the tailgate, which is electric, to reveal a really good sized boot there with these rear seats which can be folded, as well as the parcel shelf that's still in place. And underneath the boot floor, which is adjustable in height, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also 360-degree parking cameras. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.